YouTube, what's going on? Alright, you guys, so today we are going to C4 the Stang. So C4, this is Trim Restorer. Although this car is new, and I love to do detailing and try to keep it as new looking as possible. We're going to put this Trim Restorer on all over the trim. And so what that's going to do is going to help it, stay nice and, black, rich color and black, and just keep it looking pretty new here. So I did the same thing to the edge. We have an edge, 19 edge. We did the same thing, and it was roughly about a month or more ago, and it's holding up awesome. So I like that I like this product. It works really great. So we are going to do the trim all over the car, not only on the bottom here, but also, like, for example, on the mirrors here. This piece, this is all plastic trim, all the trim down in here, because this stuff, man, it dries up quick. So especially if you live in a really harsh harsh sun area. California is pretty harsh with the sun here, so we're going to put the trim all over the ride and look at all the different pieces with this type of plastic trim. So as you can see here, this guy, it's already starting to dry up. You see that? So yeah, figured, what the heck, man, let's put some of this C4 all over the ride and keep it looking pretty new. So with that, I don't have my tripod. My wife took my Fusion, and the tripod is in the Fusion, so bear with me, and I'll try to do a little piece holding the phone and just giving you an idea how this stuff works. So hold on a sec while I open up the package, and we'll get going. All right, you guys, so here's the little bottle. Just got it open. Try to turn this around here for you. Got it open. It comes with the applicator pads. The little box over there just threw on the ground. So basically, you want to just kind of douse your little applicator pad, and then just start going over the trim here with this stuff, man. So as such, so you can see right away, see how it, and I just washed the car too, so it's not like dirt. I literally just washed the car specifically for this. I wanted to make sure that we have a clean trim to start with, but as you can tell right away, it just makes it really dark, and it's going to keep it that way for this stuff here on the package. It says 2 years, so 2 years. Wash the car, but it's still dirty. So that's quite a long time, man. So what better than to preserve your stuff rather than letting it get all dried up and then applying it. Might as well get it good from the get-go, man, and try to preserve it as long as possible, right? So yep, that's what you want to do. So just like that. And some areas are a little more difficult than others, obviously. For example, the front grille, especially this guy here, because this honeycomb stuff, it's going to be a lot of work. So I'll get it done. I'll go around the car, get it done. I just showed you a little preview there how to do it, but basically that's all you do, man. Just rub it down, all the trim all the way around. And I'm going to get all this stuff down here, so it gives it a nice rich black color, and it'll stay that way for, like I said, 2 years at minimum. So that's pretty awesome, man. You can see already, well, I don't know if you can see here on the camera, but I can tell already, man, this stuff has already blacked it out, man, quite nicely. So yep, bear with me, you guys. I'll go around the car, I'll get this done, and we'll wrap this up. Thanks. Cool, you guys, got it all done, man. So yeah, I was able to go a couple of passes with the, you know, the little pads that they gave us, or that they give you in the box. So I know it's hard to tell, especially with a black color car, but you see how it's nice and shiny? It's shiny all the way around, man. So got a couple of coats on it. I expect this to, you know, like I said, last at least a couple of years per what they say on the box. So all the way around. Yeah, and then up here, so the easiest way to get to the trim that's, you know, on the base of the windshield here is pop up your hood, and then that way you can get, you know, you can get to it like this all the way down, right? And even this area if you like. So I got all the trim on the base of the windshield, and I did get one coat on this stuff here. There's a lot. I mean, oh, the sun's not gonna hit it, but what the heck, just went for it, man. So it's all, got it all over the place here. Make sure you clean off your windshield, don't leave it dirty like I just did. There you go. So yeah, I got all the trim there. You see the shine on the top trim there, the very top over here, the tip right there, see the shine on it? So yeah, it should stay like that, man, for hopefully for quite a while. So this stuff is really good, man. I like it. Like I said, I did the edge on it, and man, it looks awesome. Especially if you have a different color car, not this black, because black on black, you know, it is kind of hard to tell. But if you have a different color car, you're going to be able to tell like instantly the black rich color. So I did all this stuff here. I did the honeycomb. This is a bare because of, obviously, of all the little intricate, you know, parts of the grill there. So, but yeah, as you can see how shiny it is and kind of, you know, oily. But this stuff, it'll dry, but it'll stay with that rich color, man. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. I really like it. So yeah, you see the corner there on the trim, on the lip spoiler down there. Yeah. So, oh yeah, forgot to show you, got the windows as well. So we did all this stuff here, both sides obviously. Got some trim there on the plastic. There you go. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. Alright, so with that we'll end it, you guys, man. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone's doing great out there, man. Staying safe. So with that we'll end it, man. Peace.